Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the system. Make sure you're signed in as an administrator and have a verified backup on an external drive or cloud. Once done, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Recovery. Alternatively, press Win+I and search for Recovery. You're doing this because recovery actions can remove apps and settings. Knowing your Windows build and license avoids activation problems later. Now that you're in the recovery pane, identify the options. Reset this PC, advanced startup, and go back to the previous version. You'll next choose the appropriate recovery action. If you need a clean reinstall, click Reset this PC and pick Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Choose Remove for a full wipe. For deeper repairs, select Advanced Startup and boot from a recovery USB or system image, or launch command prompt to run diskpart, sfc/scano, and chkdsk. Make sure to create a recovery drive with system files included so you can boot and recover if the internal drive fails. These steps let you control data retention. You finish by following the on-screen prompts. Windows will reinstall and may reboot multiple times. Make sure to sign in with the same Microsoft account so activation carries over, especially after hardware changes. If something goes wrong, use Startup Repair from Advanced Startup or boot into Safe Mode to undo recent changes, then restore a previously created system image. If all else fails, perform a clean install from the recovery USB. Choose Custom Install and format the Windows partition, then reinstall drivers and restore your backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.